Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Scorpio, your money and monthly readings have already been put up. In case you've missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. And Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you out there. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Scorpio, before we start your reading, let's take a Ganesha Oracle card for your love life. And we'll take an angel blessing card as well and see what the universe has for you. So Lord Ganesha, one card please for my Scorpio and my angels too. One card for my angels please for Scorpio. So this one and this one. So we have both our cards, Scorpio. I'm putting these back now. And let's begin your reading. So from Lord Ganesha, Scorpio, you get harmony. And the angels give you pause. So is there a kind of a pause going on in your love life, Scorpio? And is there a need to bring some kind of truce or harmony into the relationship? Let's see. Let's keep these two cards aside and let's see why they are here and how they're going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So Scorpio, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and likes and comments, etc. Thank you so much for being a part of the Omkara family. And if you're new here, we welcome you in. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends, and we'd be happy to have you. You do subscribe to the channel and join us. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. So for this reading, I will be... Something's not making you happy, Scorpio. What happened? Yeah. Okay, so for this reading, I'll be calling the one side person A, one side person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? The other side, of course, is the person who's on your mind. So let's begin opening the card, Scorpio. The first card I have here is the Moon in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse, Three of Pentacles, Temperance, High Priestess, and the Ten of Swords. For your person, I have the Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, Judgment, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. Some secrets came out. Let's start with person A here. It seems some secrets have been revealed, and after that, whatever has been told to person A or whatever they've been made aware of, they are kind of dropping the fight. Maybe there was an argument earlier regarding it, but now they don't want to be conflicted anymore. They don't want to fight anymore after whatever they've got to know, and now they are making a choice to move away from these troubled times into a happier zone. Yeah, the person A is now looking for justice. They realize that there is no harmony here, there's no balance here, there is no working together here, and what they were looking was for happiness only, right? The Ten of Cups. And they've realized that this is not working. Until I don't get justice, I am no longer interested in working with anyone here. Yes, I'm dropping the fight. This card has come out now twice. Somebody is no longer conflicted and no longer wanting to fight anymore and wanting to move ahead to a calmer place for themselves, to find happiness for themselves. If person A, if this is you, Scorpio, if you were in a marriage or it was a long-term kind of a partnership, you've realized that there is absolute zero harmony here. There's no working together. There's no peace here. There's nothing. Yeah, this is... Person A wants this big time. Person A wants the Ten of Cups, they want the Four of Wands, and they are willing to fight another day till they get it. They're not settling for anything less, it seems. They are very sure of in their mind that I deserve this and nothing else, because I have a lot of love in my heart, and I am going to now keep it with me in self-love till I can find a person who can bring justice to me, who can have equal give and take with me. Otherwise, I'm not going to. Yeah, the Queen of Cups feels they deserve a King of Cups. I want my equal match, otherwise it's really not going to work for me, right? This is what person A is thinking. So, why is the High Priestess in reverse, Spirit? High Priestess in reverse. I think person A has made it very clear. It's no secret about what the person A feels or thinks or has communicated to person B that, hey, listen, I am going towards my own happiness and I'm not interested in engaging in any back and forth with you or any fight with you or any argument with you. I want my Ten of Cups, I want my Ten of Pentacles, and with you, I don't see it happening, right? And they have communicated this, and person A wants to move ahead on a brand new journey for themselves to find something happy and new for themselves, right? They have either left person B out in the cold, or this is the way they felt in this relationship. Person A has always felt neglected, ignored, not loved enough, and I think they've kind of made up their mind to put an end to this kind of a dynamic totally, like 100% off. Yeah, they are now investing, I think, in their own happiness, right? They want a fresh new beginning and they want to move ahead to something which will make them happy. And even if they don't find anyone, they are into self-love and investing into their happiness and prosperity. Yeah, the person A felt very burdened for too long, right? And this kind of burden, I think person A is now saying, I want to put an end to totally. I'm not willing to deal with anyone who's not going to make me happy. One more card, Spirit, for the Ten of Swords. I think they're starting something new. Person A, Scorpio, this is you. You're planning on a brand new journey for yourself, and you're yes, see, progressing each day from the Page of Pentacles, moving to the page to the Knight of Pentacles, and yes, you are on your way to shedding the old and starting something brand new for yourself. There's lots happening for person A. Person A is not shy of saying what they want. They're communicating. They're moving ahead, I think, at a very fast pace. Like I said, moving from page to knight, and it'll be not far when they reach King of Pentacles level as well. Now, this could be Scorpio you, or it could be you could be the other side. I don't know. But somebody here is very honest in telling you that they are no longer wanting to work for a committed relationship and no longer wanting to fight or fight with for something that doesn't make them happy, and they're turning their back to this, right? Let's see person B. Person B is feeling very unstable, right? They feel that their entire, movement now has stopped. There's nothing to look forward to. Wheel of Fortune is now stopped. They're feeling very single. Maybe they are still okay being single. They have, I mean, all the finances and everything, but they're feeling single, but also pretty unstable. Yeah, person B is now gone into hermit mode because now they're single, they're not feeling stable, they're feeling nothing is moving in their life, and they are realizing that yes, there is no new beginning or no hope of new beginning. They may have been wishing for this new beginning, Scorpio, but they've realized that there is none to be had now because person A seems to have made up their mind to be single and away from them. So, Spirit, King of Pentacles, please. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they are realizing now a choice is being made or a choice has been made, and there is no moving forward here. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. They realize that, person A is wanting to be single. Maybe after the way they've behaved with person A, maybe they were trying to be one up from them, or they hurt them, or they cheated them, or they belittled them, or they were trying to win at, every argument or fight, or just trying to put them down so they could look bigger, right? And now that they're single, I think person B is thinking, oh my God, what did I do? Now there is no fresh new beginning for me, and maybe it's time for me to kind of apologize to person A, right? They're heavily in their thoughts, in their hermit mode, and thinking of all the wrong maybe that has been done in this relationship, and now they want to come and apologize. So yes, this is a kind of a pause going on in your relationship, it seems. So person A is dreaming now that if they can come forward with an apology, they can recapture their Ten of Pentacles, their happily ever after. Yeah, they are looking for growth again. They want their progress to restart. They want their Ten of Pentacles back, and they are now in pause mode, in hermit mode, trying to understand why all this happened and what they can do to kind of rectify this so that they can get their maybe marriage or long-term potential with this person A, get their empress back, or get their stability and happiness back in their life. They want to put a total death to whatever has happened in the past and maybe try and transform everything, right? So that something new can begin. They have been very stressed for a very long time, and they want to get over this stress and tension of being alone and sad and in hermit mode, because person A is no longer engaging, I think. Eight of Swords, Spirit? Eight of Swords. I think they want to rush in to person A now, come out of this hangman's place, this stuck place. They want to have some kind of conversation with person A. Yeah, here they are. They come rushing in, right? I said they want to come rushing in and speak to person A that, hey, is it possible that, we can get back together, and whatever I've done in the past, I'm sorry. Let's just wake up, because I can't deal with this anymore. Yeah, they want to have some clear communication with person A, but somewhere I think they're afraid also that person A has now become stronger, even though person B is very keen to re-begin the story, right? Let's see what's happening in your mutual energy. Four of Pentacles in reverse, Sun in reverse, and the Page of Wands upright. So Scorpio, no wonder this card is here of harmony, right? And a pause, and the star being your wish is not coming true. One or both of you are now realizing it's time now to let go, right? This may not be the happiest situation, but I think it's inevitable. So might as well do it without a conflict. Yeah, somebody is here still. We're still praying and wishing and hoping for some kind of a change, and being very stressed about it. Not being able to sleep at night, wondering what to do, wishing and hoping that some balance and harmony can come back into this relationship. But I think somebody else has already released this relationship, I think, altogether. Yeah, there is somebody is holding back big time, right? And the other person is wishing and hoping for some harmony and balance to be brought back. So I think you guys are not really fighting now, not very happy with the situation, but kind of coming to terms with it, with the Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse is never a bad card. It's always being okay with it, right? So now I think you're both coming to that realization that there is an end to working together. There is absolutely no point now in fighting, because I think you both are seeing the light of it, that there may not be a chance to work together anymore. Not very happy about it though. Yeah, but still trying to, stay in control of your emotions, still trying to stay strong and deal with this in a harmonious way. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. I think person B still wants to try. They want to have clear-cut communication, bring in some offer of love, But the other person, I think, wants to have their own leap of faith. They want to go on a new journey and start something new for themselves. Or I think maybe this is the message that person B wants to bring to them. Uh, still trying to bring some kind of harmony and peace into this relationship, to say, hey, let's talk, okay? Let's talk. I do still love you. I still do love you. And can we begin again and maybe have a fresh new beginning? But I don't think person A is ready. So Spirit, why is the Page of Wands there for person A? What do they feel at this proposal? What does person A feel, Spirit? Person A is not very sure, Scorpio. They want the Wheel of Fortune to now, they already see the Wheel of Fortune moving in their favor, I think, and they are moving ahead to a new start. And they also see that they have many, many, many options, in front of them right now. There's a bit of curiosity on person A's part to see what else is maybe out there. And right now they are quite stressed at having to make a decision with person B, right? So I think one person wants it, the other person is still not sure. So there is a bit of pause going on here, Scorpio, and I think right now just keep the harmony alive and give person A a bit of space to sort their, feelings out, whether they want to re-begin with you. Person B definitely wants to, right? So Scorpio, you could be the one who's wanting to have a restart with your person, or you could be on side A, not very sure that you want to continue with person B anymore, and you just want to leave this relationship in a calm manner and maybe try something new, right? So this could be a separation, could be just a pause in this relationship. As the weeks go by, Scorpio, we'll keep checking, but as of now, there is a bit of a pause going on. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. You take care of yourself. I'll see you Thursday for your love bite. Let's see if anything changes. Until then, namaste. See you then.